Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the system tray icon in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Click on File to open a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select Settings. This will open the settings window where you can customize various aspects of OBS Studio. Once the settings window opens, you'll be in the general section by default. Now, scroll down through the options until you find the system tray section. This is where you can control how OBS behaves in your system tray, which is the notification area typically located in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. The system tray feature is useful because it allows OBS to run quietly in the background without cluttering your taskbar. Below the system tray heading, you'll see an option labeled Enable with a checkbox beside it. Go ahead and check this box if you want to enable the system tray icon. When enabled, OBS will place an icon in your system tray that you can access at any time. If you want to disable the system tray icon entirely, simply uncheck this box and OBS will only appear on your taskbar like a regular application. Now, if you've enabled the system tray icon, you'll notice two additional optional settings appear below it. These give you more control over how OBS behaves when minimized. The first option is minimize to system tray when started. If you check this box, OBS will automatically minimize to the system tray instead of your taskbar whenever you start the application. This keeps your workspace clean and lets OBS run discreetly in the background. The second option is always minimize to system tray instead of taskbar. When this is enabled, OBS will completely hide from your taskbar when minimized and only appear in the system tray. This is different from the default behavior where minimized programs stay visible on your taskbar. Both of these options are entirely optional, so only check them if they fit your workflow. Some users prefer having OBS visible on the taskbar, while others like keeping it tucked away in the system tray. Once you've configured the system tray settings to your preference, look at the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there. Click Apply first to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. Your system tray preferences are now configured and will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully customized how OBS Studio behaves in your system tray. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.